So this is mine, Rob Featherstone's Haskell implementation of a simple text editor. It's got simple features. You go straight through to the main menu, which gives you options. If we want to write a file, we simply type write. Gives you some instructions. If we use our name, it will create a file with our name, and then type in information as much as you want, and it's stored it to a file in your name. If you want to read the file, simply type read. File name was my name, and it's showing me what I typed. If we don't input the correct commands to go to something, it will just keep giving us the options until we type something properly. We can go anywhere from this option menu. I don't know any other files to read, so we'll read that one again, and when we're done we can type quit, and it's finished.